Badla mina isinkwa seboksa. Isinkwa seboksa Brian, sinamakhono amaningi Brian. Yabona isinkwa seboksa. Ungaslice Brian. Ya ngizwa ne-taste boxa lena kuzawuhanjwa. Ya isinkwa seboksa ungaslice Brian, usubhaye isinglalufu. Usidabulela ngaphezulu ukhuphela nje ukudla la ngaphezulu. Uzothola into eyiningi wena isinkwa seboksa. Yathi isinkwa seboksa. Mina ngesisikhathi mina ngiblome juice. If ngiyacabanga around about 2010 Brian benginoziwelela umgaconyana la ekseni traffic is very hectic there isikhathi mina ngiyosidabulela isinkwa seboksa ngifike la eshop ka boxer ngiyangena ngihuqa ama slippers ngifaka isinkwa seboksa yawu counter for sure ngiyabona ma if ungumuntu omama yawuza ngishaya ngesmile inyana ngongani le out ipholile izofaka isinkwa seboksa ngenzeni that means umaniti lo muntu mama la PE ngithe ngizobuya ngizobloma la PE ngayibonga nikwala zakhona ziyakhawateka iledi thengezi ongani mina ngibetha ngezapholazi zasekuseni yimne yellow bone yami into fresh brother yami angiyazi nokuthi igeza ngobisa I think le ifutha ngecanda bra ifutha ngecanda ngishaya ichilazi sithenge slippers no baby ngishaya iskipa seBarcelona bengibafakele ikatulo lapha bra ngiyofaka iboxer amagenga shaya ngongibulala ashaya ngongibulala ongani wona majita all they just ordinary breeds bayiboxa Brian ngiyakutshela uthola ukuthi ngathi unama superpowers and I think Superman no Batman badla iboxer as far nete badla iboxer yabona neplastic yakhona ngenza into eyiningi yabona bag is very hard iqinile uyakwazi nokuthi wenze airbag emotweni okanye maybe mawune asthma ushaya iperfume la okanye abantwana for a Christmas ushaya amabhaluni. You hungry? It feels like starvation is attacking. Visit a nearby Boxer Superstore and get a 600-gram loaf of bread. Any color, any type. Boxer Superstore, the store that cares for your tummy.